Hello and thank you for choosing Kinetic Hosting. In today's tutorial, I will be showing you how to use the change software tool on the Kinetic panel. So without further ado, let's hop right into this, shall we? First things first, let's make sure our server is offline. So if it's online, head to the overview page and power it down, or in the power actions menu, just turn off your server. Next, if you'd like to save the data that is currently on your server before swapping to a different piece of software, you can do that using our backup manager. So scroll down to the server tools category, click create backup, give your backup a name, and then click start backup. Wait for that to finish and then proceed from there. Next, what we're going to do is head to the file manager. Delete everything from the file manager just like this. Go to the game tools category and click on change software. There are a bunch of different games and or software that we offer here at Kinetic Hosting. For the sake of today's tutorial, we will be changing our software to Pale World. So go ahead and find the game you're looking for that we offer, click on change game. If enabled, your server will reinstall and download all of the files for your chosen game. If you do not reinstall your server, this might not work correctly. This will also delete the files from your file manager. Since we already did that, this is just an extra step just to make sure the server can clean up correctly. So go ahead and click on this button here and then click on change game. Your server will begin running the installer service. This may take a few minutes depending on the software or game you're switching to. Now that my software has changed, head to the file manager to make sure the software you installed looks correct, which in my case it does. Next, you can power on your server just to make sure it boots up and does everything necessary so the game works. I will note though that some games do require a dedicated IP, so just make sure you own one of those before swapping to one of those games. But that is how you use the change software tool on the Kinetic panel. If this video has helped you out, make sure to smack that like button and subscribe for future tutorials. Thank you so much for choosing Kinetic Hosting, and we will see you around.